Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start with the class 10th mathematics part 1 chapter number 2 quadratic chapter number 2 practice set 2.5 quadratic equation. So in practice set 2.5 what we have to do, question number 1, we have to compare the quadratic equation in the standard form and we have to find the value of ABC in page number 43. So first we start by writing this question. What is the question? Question is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. I have to write this equation in the standard form. So what is my standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here you can see that above a there is a 1 is there. At the a position 1 is there, so I write a is equal to 1. At the b position you will find that b is equal to minus 7. We have to consider the sign also, so at the b place there is minus 7 it's there, and at c place you see that the 5 is there, so c is equal to 5. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 1. It's a solution of 1. Second question, 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. So we have to arrange them properly. 2m square plus 5 side, if it comes to the left hand side it become minus 5 and minus 5 become a plus 5. So here I arrange them in my standard form. So a value it's a 2, so a is equal to 2, b value it's a minus 5 and c value it's a 5. Now question number 3, y square is equal to 7y. First we write it to left hand side. Y square minus 7y is equal to 0. 7 ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. If the variable y is given, you can consider the variable as a y also. So here at the a place it's given a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to nothing, it's given, so it will be a 0. And here we have to remember this says that solve the following quadratic equation by using a formula, so we have to learn the formula. What is the formula? It's very easy. Variable, when we have to find the value of variable minus b, then plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. To make this question easy, if we have to find the value of delta. What is the delta? Delta means when we find the value of b square minus 4 AC, so that value then answer will be easy. So first I find the value of delta and this value I'll put it here, so you will get a less mistake in this solution and it will be easy for you. So remember this formula, very important, very important. So you have to memorize this. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, और उसको आसान समझना है, आसानी से याद रखना है, तो माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट डेल्टा लिख दो और 2a. डेल्टा की वैल्यू पता होनी चाहिए. डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. So let's start the solution on the by using this formula. By using the formula we have to solve the question. First question is given x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is my question. So what I write? First I take I arrange them in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Now I find the value of delta की value find कर देंगे b square minus 4ac. By using this value we'll find b means 6 square minus 4a value it's 1 and c value it's a 5. So 6 square it's 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, 16, 36 minus 20 is equal to 16, therefore delta is equal to 16. Now variable x is given, so we find the value of variable well by x by using a formula. So what is the formula? Minus b plus minus under root delta. What is delta? B square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that is a minus. What is the value of b? 6 plus minus under root delta value. See, we already got 16, so we put 16. Then 2, what is the value of a? It's a 1. So minus 6 plus minus under root 16, under the root of 16, that means it's a 4. So हम 4 लिख देंगे and 2 ones are 2. If we separate this, so what is that? Minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 2 upon 2, and here the x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 2. So here 2 gets cut, so x is equal to minus 1, and here x is equal to, ये cut हो जाएगा तो minus 5, x is equal to minus 5. Therefore the value of x it's either, therefore x is equal to either minus 1 or minus 5. This will be the answer. So in this way we have to solve the solution. It's very easy. Second question. Second question, x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So again first we compare them. It's a standard equation form. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 2. By comparing the standard form we get the value of a, b, c. Now I find the value of delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? B is minus 3 square minus 4a value it's 1 and c value it's minus 2. Minus 3 square it's a 9, minus 3 into minus 3 that become a plus, minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, and it will be a 8 plus 9 it's a 17. So delta value we get here 17. Now variable it's a x की value find करेंगे minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We put the value, so what we will get minus a b value. What is a b value? It's minus sign is already given, and minus 3 it's a b value, plus minus under root delta value it's we got 17, and here 2 and a value it's a 1. So here minus minus plus, so that's become a 3 plus minus under root 17, and 17 it's not a perfect root, so we'll write 17 only. 2 words are 2. So x value will be a plus 3 plus under root 17 upon 2, or x value is equal to 3 minus under root 17 upon 2. Further we cannot reduce them, so these are the solution of the variable x. Question number 3. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. So here again we compare them in the standard form. 2m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 7. These are the value. Delta value is equal to b square minus 4ac. B value it's 2 square minus 4a value it's 3, and c value it's minus 7. 2 square it's 4, minus minus plus 4 3s are 12 and 7. So here it's a 4, 7, 2s are 14, 1 goes up 84, and when we add them it is a 88. So the value of delta it's a 88. Now variable n is there, so we write n. Whatever the variable is given, that we have to write formula. See, you have to memorize this formula. What happen many times when students when they have to solve this sum by formula method, they don't remember what the formula is. So you have to be very particular about remembering the formulas. You have to learn it. See, minus b की value क्या है 2, plus minus under root what is b square minus 4ac, it's a 88, and upon 2a value it's a 3. So minus 2 will come, plus minus इसको हम simplify करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 11 into 4 2 ज़ा 8, 4 2 ज़ा 8 और 11 expansion कर दिया 3 2 ज़ा 6 हो जाएगा. Here again minus 2 it's there, plus minus, और यहाँ पे 4 perfect root है वो बाहर आ जाएगा तो 2 हो जाएगा, under root 11 2 ज़ा 22 हो जाएगा, and upon 6. See here 2 it's common, so we'll take a minus 2 common बाहर ले लेंगे, यहाँ पे minus हो जाएगा minus 1 plus minus under root 22 upon 6. जो 2 कॉमन है उसको बाहर ले सकते हैं, तो 2 को बाहर ले लिया, यहाँ पे 3 हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा -1 प्लस अंडर रूट 22 अपॉन 3, अदरवाइज -1 माइनस अंडर रूट 22 अपॉन 3. So these are the values of the variable m. Question number 4. Question number 4, 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we compare with the standard form. am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 2. These are the values of a, b, c. Now we find the value of delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b की value minus 4 square minus 4ac. A value it's 5 and c value it's minus 2. 4 square it's 16 minus 4 minus become a plus. 4 5 are 20, 22 are 40. So here if we add we get a 56. So the value of delta is a 56. Now we find the variable of m is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So is equal to minus b की value minus 4 it's there, plus minus under root it's a 56 and upon 2, and a value it's a 5. So is equal to माइनस माइनस बिकम अ प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस माइनस, और इसको हम एक्सटेंड कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 7 2 ज़ा 14, 14 4 ज़ा 56 अपॉन 2 इंटू 5. यहाँ पे एक्सपांशन करते हैं, देखो 2 इंटू 2 4 हो जाता है, प्लस माइनस यहाँ पे 4 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है वो बाहर आ जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा. What is remaining 14 और 5 2 ज़ा 10. यहाँ पे 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, 2 दोनों साइड पे है तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 ही रखेंगे. फिर यहाँ पे हो जाएगा प्लस 2 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 14 अपॉन 10. यहाँ पे 2 को 10 से रिड्यूस करेंगे तो 5 हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे 2 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 14 अपॉन 5. इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे तो 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 14 अपॉन 5 और 2 माइनस अंडर रूट 14 अपॉन 5. So these are the solution. These are the values of n variable. Next question number 5. Sometime it's a question it's given in the fraction. So what we have to do? We have to do one more extra step and remove that fraction. 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. This is the question. So here I have to remove the 3. So what I have to do? The equation x multiply by 3 truly. So what we will get? Y square multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3y multiply by 3 plus 2 multiply by 3. So here we get 3y square plus 3 gets cut, 1y is equal to 6. Again if we arrange properly, 3y square plus 1y minus 6. Compare this with the standard equation form. So we will get ay square plus by plus c. So a value is equal to 3, b value is equal to 1, c value is equal to minus 6. See, you have to consider the minus sign also. If that letter carries the minus sign, so you have to add it. If it carries the plus sign, no need to mention. This is a delta b square minus 4ac. So b value it's 1 square minus 4, a value it's 3, and c value it's minus 6. 1 square it's a 1, minus become a plus, 4 12 6 are 72. So 72 plus 1 it's a 73. The value or the delta value is 73. Now we find the variable y minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b value. What is a b? It's a 1 plus minus under root क्या हो जाएगा 73 upon 2 a value it's a 3. So minus 1 plus minus under root 73 upon 6. So that is equal to minus 1 plus under root 73 upon 6 or minus 1 minus under root 73 upon 6. These are the variables. These are the values of variable. One more question. Question number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. So here again we have to compare this with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value it's 5, b value it's 13, and c value is equal to 8. We find the value of delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b value it's 13 square minus 4, a value it's 5, and c value it's 8. 13 square is 169, 4 5s are 20 or 8. So 169 upon 160, so it's y 9. The value of the delta value is equal to 9. Now we have to find the x variable x by minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus what is the b value? What is the b value? B value it's 13 plus minus under root 9 it's there, and 2, and a value it's 5 minus 13 plus minus the root of 9 it's 3, so it's come 3, and 4 5 2s are 10. So when we simplify, so minus 13 plus 3 upon 10 minus 10 minus 3 upon 10. So what will be that? It's a minus 10 upon 10, minus minus gets cut, it's minus 1, and here it's minus 10 upon 3. We cannot reduce them, so it will be a minus 10 upon 3. This is the variable. These are the values of x variable, either a1 or minus 13 upon 10. Next question, it's a one for story based question. It's given on the page number. Story based question, it's given next page on 44. What is given here? With the help of the flowchart, here flowchart it's given, and we have to solve this following equation. It's given, they are given in the under root x square plus 2 under root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Using the formula we have to compare करना है with standard form. We find the ABC, then we find the value of delta, then we solve the equation. We will substitute the value of ABC. So let's start with the question. What is the question? It's given, our equation is x square plus 2 under root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus 2 under root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. If I compare with the standard equation form, it is ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 under root 3 and c is equal to 3. We find the value of delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b value it's 2 under root 3 square minus 4, a value it's 1 and c value it's 3. So 2 square it's 4 and the root 3 become a 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12 minus 12, तो ये 12 कट हो जाएगा. The answer will be a 0. Next we have to find the value of x by using the formula. We'll write this minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We substitute the value. Minus b value it's 2 under root 3 plus minus here under root 0 it's given and 2a value it's 1. So here comes minus 2 under root 3 plus minus 0 and 2 ones are 2. Further we expand, that will be a minus 2 under root 3 plus 0 upon 2 minus 2 under root 3 minus 0 upon 2. See, if we either add or 0 subtract the 0, the value will remain the same. So minus 2 under root 3 upon 2 or minus 2 under root 3 upon 2. This will be the solution. This will be the value of x variable. And what we have to do, substitute the value of a, b, c and find the roots. So when we substitute the a, b, c value, we find this root. These are the root of the given quadratic equation. So here we have completed the 2.4 exercise. In next lecture we'll start with 2.5 exercise. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.